Checky, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, travelling, and training. As always, before I do get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. If you do enjoy the content, give me a thumbs up. Troops, here we are, Monday, the 11th of July, start of a new trading week, full trading week this week. I thought I'd give you a little look at where we're at, where I expect us to be. And I've got a little bit of news as well from eTORO. So for all you GME hodlers out there in eTORO, do stand by for that at the end of the video. Just a quick look then at AMC. We are, 2 hours into trading. It's pretty flat, troops, to be honest. Yes, it's red, and it's red across the board, but it's not drastically red. We're currently trading on AMC down 1.53%, only 22 cents on the share, and over at GME, 128.19, down 0.27%, only 35 cents down on the share, which in these tickers, troops, is nothing, as we know. Anyway, what you will notice is, well, look at the pattern. Anyone would think that these two stocks run together. Look at that. We've got a dump right from the start, then a bit of a kicker. Now we're going into this sideways trading. But the pattern is uncanny, isn't it? Even the volume's pretty much the same lot. Unbelievable in terms of candle size, not actual shares traded. Anyway, what I will say is the levels that we've been following here, troops, look at this. 1470, as I've talked about last week, as the level I'm watching, and we're just bouncing off it, and 130 as well over on GME. So there's something beyond that these algos are desperate to try and control. So there we are, troops. My other baby, Clovis, again, not a great day for Clovis, really. Down 5.5%. It's been down at 255. But again, when I look at the market, another bio stock that I was in, BCRX, that's actually down even more. And then the XBI, which is the biotech ETF, that's down anyway. And Clovis has been grouped in the meme stocks, troops, the meme stocks. So it's in with GME, AMC, BlackBerry, BBIG, all those. I talked about it on Friday in my live stream about I feel quite physically sick actually when I think about it, about how these hedge funds are attacking a company that's got a drug approved for treating cancer. They're actually selling it, and here they are trying to put it out of business for one reason or another. Anyway, we rise again. Clovis has been down at 58 cents the last few weeks, so to be at 260 something. Reverse split was rejected by shareholders the first time, and then the company came back and said, we want to try again. So they were trying to garner up enough yes votes, didn't get it. So now it's buyout, partnership, or bust, in my opinion, for Clovis. Going to go one of three ways. And actually, at the moment, this is my YOLO stock because I've got the biggest holding because of the share price. I've got the largest number of shares. And I've been in and out of this stock for a long time, and I've seen what potential it can get when it gets going. Anyway, it's not going at the moment, that's for sure. Right then, little bit of news for all you eTORO hodlers out there. I have shared my communications with my account manager there previously, and today is no exception. I did send him an email requesting information on the dividend and how they're going to handle it. Let me see if I can get that up. Here we are, redacted his details and my surname for both our protection. Anyway, I'll read it to you. I sent him an email this morning. This morning actually. Hope you're keeping well. Just touching base again. Now that the share split dividend has been announced, I have a few questions. Is this being viewed by eTORO as a straightforward event in so much as it's a simple share issuance? 3 for 1. Can you 4 for 1, but for everyone you get 3, okay? Don't jump on me about that. I'm reading it as 3 for 1, okay? I know it says 4 for 1, but it's a 3 for 1. You get 3 for every one share you've got, so you'll end up with 4 per share, okay? Can you confirm there will be no cash alternative paid in lieu of additional shares? And are there any circumstances under which eTORO will be unable to process the dividend? And if so, what are the alternatives? This question is based on our previous discussions around how the dividend will be handled by eTORO. See my email dated the 13th of April. As always, I appreciate your support and look forward to receiving feedback in due course. Always got to be polite, troops. It costs nothing to have a few manners. He's my account manager at the end of the day. He's basically come back and said, hope you're feeling well. Apologies for the delay. No delay. I wasn't expecting a reply straight away, but I got one. Yet to receive any information regarding the GME split. When we do, we will update our clients accordingly. eToro's policy in response to a split is to adjust the opening rate of the trade in question to reflect the new rates after the split. Okay, he's talking about the split there, the price split. So, because your price is going to split in 4, it will be divided by 4 of what it is on the day of the 21st. And the circumstances under which eToro will be unable to process the dividend in the form of shares issuance, which is the obviously the extra shares that we're going to get, could be, for example, if our custodians do not support this. So the custodians, I think, are the like Seed & Co. and DTC who hold all the shares. Seed & Co. is it? I think, can't remember. Anyway, it says, I will be in touch with all my clients who reached out re this topic as soon as we get an internal communication clarifying how the GameStop corporate event will be handled. I must admit, troops, makes me a little bit nervous. It's a vague response. And I note that he's completely avoided answering the question, can you confirm there will be no cash alternative paid in lieu of additional shares? He's not answered that at all. So I am going to email him back and say, thanks for the reply. However, what about this point number 2, for example? I also want to know who the custodians are. So I'm going to pop him an email back and see what he says. But that's it, troops. That is the response from eToro. So if you are in eToro, I've not written to IG yet. I do have shares in IG as well. I'll try and reach out to them and see what they're saying. But this is the thing. I mean, DRS, okay, there's the DRS movement. Not everybody can, will, or wants to DRS. Not everybody wants to go down that route. And I've said it before. These brokerages have got a lot at stake if they don't do this properly. Because it'll be the end of them. For sure. It will be... Will it be the end of them? I don't know. Robin Hood's still going. And they absolutely screwed everybody last year, didn't they? They're still going. Okay, their share price isn't great. But if you're not a shareholder, don't worry about it. But you can still trade on there. That's what I'm saying. They've still got a business at the moment. So, you know, take it for what it is. I've had no reason, and I've got no reason to not trust that they are going to honour the obligation to provide shares. Now there's talk about they won't give you shares, they'll give you an IOU. They won't do this, they won't do that. You'll get cash in lieu and then you'll have to go to the market and buy the shares. One bridge at a time, troops. One bridge at a time. That's how I take these things. I'm just going to wait and see for his reply because it's got to come before next week because that's when the split is and the dividend. So, you know, it's got to come before next week. So let's see. Let's see what they come up with. And that is it, troops. That's all I've got for you in this video. So, quick look ahead for the week. Again, you can see the market's trading pretty much sideways. Let's see what happens. Mondays are always a little bit rough anyway. But yeah, that's it. Troops, I'm on the road after Wednesday. So, I will try and get a video out on Friday. But I will be travelling. And then I've got 2 weeks holiday. So... I will be doing some van videos. I've got a really, really exciting trip that I'm going on, not this weekend coming, but the following weekend. So I'm hoping to get some videos out of that. I will, of course, keep you up to date with any developments here. And if it does start moassing, I will do my damnedest to get on live stream, okay? I do plan after my holidays to start doing a little bit more live streaming again. I really enjoyed being... back in touch with you guys on Friday, so do look out for that. Anyway, that's it. In the meantime, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.